Hello everyone, this is Sandra Vermont. Let's have a look at this parcel of wraps that I have here. They will make very nice ring stones, pendant stones. Let's have a look. Nice, bright, multicolor, healthy back. Nice red, orange, green, lavender. So one there. Second wrap, also nice multicolor. Super pretty. Nice healthy back. Stone number 3. Green, blue, and orange. Very healthy back as well. Super nice. Stone 4. Mainly green and teal. Very healthy back. Thank you very much for watching. Happy bidding!